Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And well, like I promised, here's the Sony photography camera, or the paparazzi camera. And yeah, I know I took long to make the unboxing episode, but it's just that you gotta remember, these things take long to get here because sometimes the shipping just takes long, and I hate it too. I want to just unbox it and play with my new toy or my electronics. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. This is a clear image zoom ZEISS lens, panorama recording, intelligent sweep. Panorama supports up to 360 format. It's 20 by 4 megapixel exterior R CMOS sensor for superb low light images. It also keeps your subjects in focus with lock-on AF screen type 7.5 centimeters. Oh, and this camera also goes 5000 X zoom, and it has a TFT LCD, simple connectivity to smartphones via Wi-Fi, map your images with GPS, tag photos, focus range from the front of the lens. It also has enhanced features with downloadable camera app. It also has, which is really cool, I never thought this camera would have this yet. I mean, well, there's already 4K cameras, but this does 4K quality still image output via HDMI 2 and motion shot video traces subject movement. This is the Sony HX400V. It's an SLR-like bridge with image stabilization, and it's black. So let's get with the unboxing here. These thingy-mabobs. Oh snap, here it is. Brand spanking new. Yee. Here it is, guys. And I bought this camera, as you all know, that this camera is going to replace my cell phone. So I'm not going to have that boring cell phone quality when I do my YouTube episodes anymore, or my music videos, or whatever it is I'm doing with cameras, or cell phone cameras. This is the new thing right here, my baby. Oh yeah, and it comes with a battery too. And it has SD slot, so I have to buy an SD slot. And I will be doing some more unboxings on accessories for this, like the shotgun mic and the tripod and the light that goes on top. And I'm gonna be buying a big studio light kit set that brings green screen, white screen, black screen, and everything, and par cannons and just stage lighting. But all of those unboxing episodes are gonna be coming right after this one, whenever they come by mail. So order those. Let's see. Wow. Oh yeah, here are the accessories, or some accessories that are letting you know that you can get with the camera. And here it is. Oh yeah, and the reason why I chose this camera also is because it says it does full HD 1080p. And I was thinking, you know, 8K is not really that popular for me anymore. And I'm always recording in 1080p now, so I never record in 4K because of it takes up too much time on YouTube and all that. But maybe in the future, I'll go and start recording my YouTube episodes and stuff in 8K. Who wants to support me and get me an 8K camera? No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, the unboxing. Here you have your I guess this is like a Sony gift card or something. Register your digital imaging product for a chance to win $100 gift card. Here's the instructions for the Wi-Fi. Here is the adapter plug manual. You know Sony, like I always say every time I do Sony unboxings, Sony always has that good limited lifetime warranty. Here's the thick manual for the whole camera. Pop this sucker out. Oh, yeah. First off, here's the lens cap. Here's the battery. Here's the adapter. This actually looks like a phone adapter. That's really cool. I like that they did that. Phone adapter. Sony gets a lot of points in my heart. Sony's good in my book. Oh, it's not USB Type-C. Now that I'm wondering, they after all this time they still haven't figured out that USB Type-C is a little bit better than micro USB, but it don't matter. It is what it is. I'm not gonna be using this cable as opposed to I'm gonna buy the the SD card, not micro, sorry, the regular SD card, and I'll be able to buy an adapter that you can stick it in through the computer without having to connect the camera itself. And oh look, here's the camera strap. That's pretty cool. Sony logo right there. And the star of the show, the Sony camera. Oh, this is beautiful. $1 million camera. Yeah. This is like the coolest camera ever. Oh yeah, look, I forgot that you could do this with the, you could pull out the monitor to the side. Too bad you can't flip it this way though. Cause that's one thing I wanted, but there was other cameras that costed like $2,000 and up that do that, and I was like, let me start off with this one first. And I believe this one's not changeable. You can't swap up the lens with this one, but you know, we'll see, we'll see. I have to study this camera now. Yep, other than that, there's really not much else to say. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's the little slot where you put the micro USB cable and the HDMI mini. Here's the Wi-Fi logo thing right there. Oh yeah, and most importantly, a lot of people that I see doing unboxings on this camera didn't show this bottom part. See, so whoever wants to buy a tripod could buy a tripod, and look at the regular screw-on thingamabob. I forgot what it's called now. It's in my TV productions textbook. And then down here is where you put the battery. And the SD slot, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the SD slot goes on this side right there. And here are your features right there. Trying to get the camera to zoom in. And here's it's pretty cool that they have the movie button, so you could, if you want to record a YouTube video, like let's say one of my unboxings, I push this, so there's no way of getting confused. Oh yeah, and of course up here is where the shotgun mic goes, or the light. You just kind of remove that. You remove this plastic piece right there, and you're good to go. Oh snap, and I didn't realize that, but It has stereo. There's a stereo grill right there. You go. Stereo has a speaker, built-in speaker. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and it's 20.4 megapixels exterior com. And well, guys, that was the unboxing of the Sony DSCHX400V paparazzi cinematography camera. Photography camera. See you on the next video, because I got plenty of unboxings to do from the accessories I'm going to be buying from this, and the big one, which is the big studio light kit. See you on the next one. Don't forget to always like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you later.